If you're looking for low-maintenance flowers that tolerate high temperatures and heat, you're in the right place. We've compiled the best varieties for you. 1. Vinca. Vinca blooms do pretty well in drought and prefers sunny, hot conditions. This flowering plant cannot withstand soggy soil and dislike wet foliage. 2. Moss Rose. Moss Rose is a heat-tolerant annual, loved for its bright green leaves and pretty, colorful blooms. It demands very low maintenance and adds year-round color to the space. 3. Rose Campion. This short-lived perennial comes from southern Europe. It offers soft, furry silver-gray foliage and magenta or pink blooms. 4. Marigold. Marigolds are heat-tolerant and thrive in poor soil. This hardy annual produces bushy and big blooms from late spring through fall. 5. Egyptian Starflower. This semi-tropical shrub produces clusters of nectar-rich flowers in vivid pink, red, and purple hues. It loves heat and humid surroundings and flourishes in warm climates. 6. Fanflower. Fanflower is an evergreen perennial that's often grown as an annual. This fast-growing, heat-tolerant plant grows strongly in warm to hot weather without any worries. 7. Blanket flower. This short-lived perennial displays rich-hued, daisy-like blooms. It thrives in full sun and can tolerate hot summer temperatures. 8. Million bells. This herbaceous perennial flower is often grown as an annual. It is heat-tolerant and can withstand partial shade in warm areas. 9. Floss Flower. This warm season annual originated in Mexico and Central America. It does well in warm conditions and tolerates high temperatures without any fuss. 10. Zinnia. This heat-tolerant features a rainbow of bright hues, such as pink, purple, red, and cream. It withstands wind and high temperatures and thrives well in all of them. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.